team, it's Christine here. I know we are set to meet on next Tuesday to do a Zoom recording of our presentation, but I think I found an easier way for you each to put audio to your slides that the sound will convey in just a better quality. Okay, so what I've done is I have included our slide deck as a PowerPoint. So I've taken it from the Google Slides and I've downloaded it into PowerPoint. And what I want to do is show you really quick how you can add audio to each of your slides. So if you, in this slide here in number 1, you can tell that this slide 1 has audio because in the lower right hand corner here, there's this little like icon for sound. And when you go to play the slide deck,
Greetings. We are Capstone team number 5.
You should be able to hear the sound there. I stopped it. Okay. So I have added audio to the first 3 slides and you can see it in the corner there. And what I'd like is for everybody else to go in and grab their slide and add audio to it. So I'm going to show you how to do it just so in case you're not familiar with how to add audio. Okay. So I'm going to go down to Courtney's slide because there's some animation. I've already recorded something on that but I'm going to re-record it. So I'm going to first go up here and say clear narration on current slide. So I'm going to clear that. And then along the top, you're going to go to this part that says recording up here. And then you should come right here. It says record slideshow. So when you push that, it allows you to choose record from the current slide or from the beginning. Well, you don't want to do from the beginning because it will go up to the top of the slide deck. So just do from your current slide. And when you do that, it brings you to this page here. And what you'll do is you'll push record when you want to record the audio of the slide, and then you'll just push stop when you're done. But before you do that, you'll want to make sure that down here you've turned off a couple things. You're going to turn off the picture and the video because all you need is the microphone. Otherwise, if you leave those on, your picture ends up here, and we don't need that. Also, the other thing you want to double check is just that up here in the top right that your microphone is connected, whatever the microphone of your computer is. Okay, and so then all you'll do is you'll go in and push record, you'll say your piece, and then stop. Okay, and for this one, Courtney, the slide audit is like animated, and so it'll click once and the 71% comes up, and then when you click again, all the other data comes in. So just know that as you're recording. So then when you're done there, you're going to push stop over here, and you'll see the audio icon will come here. I didn't record on this one because I didn't want to mess up this video I'm doing, but that's where it would be. Okay, so it's that easy. What I thought is if you can do your slides, just the audio of your slides, and then what you'll do is you'll delete all the other slides that you didn't put audio on, and just send me the PowerPoint back with your slides. I'll take each of our slides and drag them into one master PowerPoint, and we'll have a nice clean audio recording of our slide deck. Okay, I'm just afraid if you send me back the whole PowerPoint as we add audio, it could get big and maybe not email easily. And then I think we can even convert this back to a Google slide deck when we're done if we want that format, but don't worry about that. I just think this is cleaner than trying to do it through Zoom and Screencastify. I think the audio will convey, it'll sound more professional. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful.